Hello, welcome to IT Expert YouTube video series. Today, we are going to talk about formatting in Microsoft Word. What is formatting? Word includes several formatting tools that allow you to make your text appear how you want. Microsoft Word formatting can be less frustrating when you know how Word works and applies text and layout formatting. Word formatting is a way to make it easier for you to write and edit papers. It includes things like capitalization, punctuation, and alignment. Why formatting is required? It demonstrates that you can follow instructions. It provides consistency. It facilitates practice of discipline and adherence to standards. It allows you to focus your efforts on content. Formatting styles. Formatting style includes things like where the paper's title and author's name will go, the spacing between lines, and how sources are cited in text, among other things. Formatting styles are important because they provide consistency, as well as information about the sources used in the document. Apply a consistent look across the whole document instead of having to format each section individually. Automatically number section headers. Apply the same font to the entire text body. Apply the same font to header sections. Use consistent paragraph spacing. Pick a default color scheme for smart art, charts, and shapes. How to clear formatting. Using the formatting tools. Locate the Word icon and double-click on it to open. Press Ctrl and O keys to open the existing document that you want to clear formatting. Click on the Home tab to open the document. In the Paragraph section, locate the Show/Hide icon. Click on it to show all the formatting in your document. Click the Home tab and the Clear All Formatting button in the Font section. How to clear formatting. Highlighting the entire document. Locate the Word icon and double-click on it to open. Press Ctrl and O keys to open the existing document that you want to clear formatting. Highlight the section you want to clear formatting. To highlight the entire document, press your keyboard's Ctrl and A keys. Click the Clear All Formatting button in the Font section. How to paste without formatting. Using the right-click tool. Locate the icon and double-click on it to open. Press Ctrl and O keys to open the existing document that you want to paste without formatting. Highlight the section you want to copy. To highlight the entire document, press your keyboard's Ctrl and A keys. Press Ctrl and C to copy the content. Then, locate the section where you want to paste. Right-click to open the Side View menu. From the menu, locate the Paste Options section. Then, click on the Keep Text and Values Only icon. How to paste without formatting. Using the Paste tool. Locate the Word icon on your PC and double-click on it to open. Press Ctrl and O keys to open the existing document that you want to paste without formatting. To highlight the entire document, press your keyboard's Ctrl and A keys. Press Ctrl and C to copy the content. Click on the Home tab and locate the Clipboard section. Click the Paste drop-down button. Choose the Keep Text Values Only icon from the menu. How to view formatting. Highlighting the entire document. Locate the Word icon and double-click on it to open. Press Ctrl and O keys to open the document that you want to clear formatting. Highlight the section you want to clear. To highlight the entire document, press Ctrl and A keys. Click the Home tab and the Clear All Formatting button in the Font section. How to view formatting. Using keyboard shortcuts. Locate the Word icon on your PC and double-click on it to open. Press Ctrl and O keys to open the existing document that you want to view its formatting. Press Ctrl and Star key on your keyboard. Types of formatting. Formatting for characters or font. Paragraph formatting. Document or page formatting. Section formatting. Formatting for characters or font. In Microsoft Word documents, character or font formatting includes font typeface such as Calibri, Arial, and Times New Roman. Size. Style. Color. Other font enhancements. Paragraph formatting. Paragraph formatting includes text alignment, line spacing, tabs, indents, bullets and numbering, borders and shading, and other paragraph enhancements. The smallest unit paragraph formatting can be applied to is one paragraph. A paragraph is defined by a paragraph mark at the end of the text. Document or page formatting. Document or page formatting usually determines the appearance of the entire document regardless of the size of the document and includes page margins. Page margins are the white space around the top, bottom, left, and right of your document. Margins let Word know where to start placing text at the top of a document, when to move on to the next page at the bottom, where to start typing text on the left side, and where to stop and move to the next line on the right. Changing or setting page margins in Word 2016 only requires a few simple steps. To change or set the page margins, click the Layout tab on the ribbon, then go to the Page Setup group. Click the Margins button. Normal margins are 1-inch margins at the top, bottom, left, and right. To set your own margin, click Custom Margins at the bottom of the drop-down menu. You will then see the Page Setup dialog box. Enter the margin measurement in inches for the top, bottom, left, and right margins. Click OK when you're finished. Change the orientation of a page. When we talk about page orientation, there are two different orientations, landscape and portrait. Landscape and portrait refer to how the document will be displayed on screen and printed. Choose landscape and your document will be printed horizontally. This is the most common orientation. If you select portrait, it will be printed from top to bottom. This is best for professional photos of several people. If your document contains several photos, you may want to choose portrait. To set the orientation, go to the Layout tab. Click the drop-down arrow below the Orientation button. You will be asked to select between Landscape and Portrait. Change page size. Let's learn how to adjust the page size of your Word document. The default page size in Word is 8.5 by 11, the same as standard printing paper. However, for different types of documents, you may need to change the page size. To change the paper size, go to the Layout tab. Click the downward arrow below the Size button. Clicking on this will produce a drop-down menu with different sizes that you can choose from. Choose the size of your final document. You can choose legal, A4, credit card size, etc. page colors. Changing the page color is self-explanatory. To do so, click the Design tab and then the Page Color button. Simply select a color from the menu. To create your own color, click More Colors. Under the Standard tab, you can click on a color to select it, as shown above. If you click the Custom tab, you can use the color picker by clicking your mouse anywhere on the color that you want, then use the slider to adjust the color to create the exact shade you want. To add a gradient, texture, pattern, or picture, click Fill Effects in the Page Color drop-down menu. In the Fill Effects dialog box, you can add a gradient, texture, pattern, or image to use as a background for your document. Borders and shading. Borders can be applied to an entire page, an entire document, or just certain sections of the document. A border can also be applied to paragraphs. To put a border around a page or a paragraph, go to the Design tab and click the Page Borders button in the Page Background group. When you click the Page Borders button, a new dialog box opens. Use this window to define the attributes of your border. You can choose to remove a border by clicking the None box. Select a style, width, and color. You can even select some predefined artwork from the Art drop-down box. Using the Apply to drop-down, you can choose whether to apply these settings to the entire document or just certain pages or sections. Now take a look in the lower right-hand corner of the window where it says Options. Click that for even more control over your border and shading options. From here, you can choose the margins of your border, and whether or not to measure that from the edge of the page or the edge of the text. Click OK when you're finished. To add shading to a page, click Page Borders and then Shading from the Borders and Shading dialog window. Select a color from the Fill drop-down menu, and a style. Click OK when finished. Insert headers and footers. A header appears at the very top of a document. It typically includes the page number and title of the book. A footer appears at the bottom of a page. It can also contain a page number. If you want to insert header and footer information, page numbers, title, date, etc. into your document, you first have to decide if you want headers or footers. Remember, headers go at the top of the page. Footers go at the bottom. To insert headers or footers, go to the ribbon and click on the Insert tab. Go to the Header and Footer group, then click on either header or footer. We're going to choose header. After you click on header, choose a header style from the drop-down menu, as pictured below. Once you select your style of header, it will take you back to your document where you can then insert the header information, including title, page number, date, etc. The same steps are applied when you click on footer. If you simply want to insert page numbers, then click the page number button that is to the right of footer button. A drop-down menu will appear which will allow you to choose where to place the page numbers. Choose where you want to place the page numbers. You can also format and remove page numbers. Create a page break. Most page formatting is handled from the Page Setup group under the Page Layout tab. A page break is the point where one page ends and another begins. Section formatting. Adding a background to your document. Adding a break to your document. Moving section breaks. Changing sections. Getting rid of section breaks, but not section formatting. Section formatting. Adding a background to your document. One of the ways you can make your document fancy if it is destined for a web page is to add a background. Follow these 2 steps. Choose background from the Format menu. Word displays a small palette with colors and a couple of other choices. Choose the color you want to use for the background of your documents. Section formatting. Adding a break to your document. Page breaks. Causes the following text to begin at the top of the next page. Column breaks. Causes the following text to begin at the top of the next column. If there is only one column in your page layout, the column break functions the same as a page break. Section breaks. Causes the following text to begin a new section of your document. Where the actual break occurs depends on the type of section break you use. There are 4 different types of section breaks that can be inserted in your document. Text wrapping breaks. These breaks, which are not available in Word 97, are closely akin to line breaks, shift and enter. A text wrapping break breaks a line of text and moves the text to the next line. This type of break is intended for use with text that wraps around graphics. Section formatting. Changing sections. Word allows you to divide a document into different layout areas called sections. Each section can be set up so that it starts on a new page, odd page, even page, or is continuous. Choose Break from the Insert menu to see what types of section breaks are available. Section formatting. Moving section breaks. To move a section break, follow these steps. Select the section break just as you would select any other text. Press Ctrl and X. The section break is cut from your document. Position the insertion point where you want to insert the section break. Press Ctrl and V. The section break is inserted in your document. Bonus. Word interview questions. How can you collapse or expand parts of a document? To make readers read or see only the part they are interested in, this function is very useful. To do this, you have to first give heading to your topic as heading 1 and heading 2 from Home menu. Once this done, a small icon will appear on the corner of the heading. On clicking on this icon, it will merge the content, and on re-clicking on it, it will expand the content back to its normal place. How can you insert video in Microsoft Word? To insert video into the Word document, you have to go to Insert Online Video Media, enter the keyword or video you are looking for, press Enter, click on the video you want to add it to add or download video. Click Insert. The video will appear on Word as an image when the download is completed. Click on Play button to play your video. How to add footnote and endnote in Word. To add footnote, bring the cursor at the end of page where you want to add the footnote, then go to Main menu, click on Reference option, click on Insert Footnotes. Likewise, you can add endnote by clicking on Insert Endnote. In MS Word 2013, how you can create a user entry forms? A user entry form can help you to create a document with checkbox, drop-down list, combo box and any other content control. To create user entry forms in MS Word, go to File tab, Selection Options, click on Customize Ribbon, click on Checkbox for Developer. This will add the Developer tab to your ribbon to create entry form. Let's say you want a form that include basic information like name, gender, marital status, occupation, email, and date of birth. And for that you might need drop-down list, checkbox or combo box. To add this, go to Developer option in Main menu, select your tag, click on drop-down list, click on Control Properties, add information in Control Properties, click OK. You can do same for rest of entries for occupation, gender and for date of birth. There is a different properties available in Developer ribbon, Date Picker, Content Control. How can you take a screenshot in Word 2013? Go to Insert option in Illustrations option, click on icon with camera, click on Screen Clipping option and choose the portion which you want to screenshot. Thank you for watching this video. We provide hands-on training with labs, homework, group projects. Prepare you for the certification. Provide real projects. Internship opportunities. Support you in Resume, LinkedIn. Staffing support. Provide tech references. In-person, online class. Class retake options and more. Call us at 847-350-9034 for your free career consultation meeting. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos. Hello.